What's going on, guys? I know it's been about almost like 2 months since I made a last video about the Evo, and I got a lot to talk about since a lot has happened within that time period, so let's just get right into it. Alright guys, here's the Evo as it sits. As you guys remember, still stock. The first thing that happened was my tarmac light kept flashing inside. I'll drop a video in right now. So my all-wheel drive pump did end up getting replaced. I think it went at around 52, 51, or 53,000 miles. I can't remember. It's in the video that I'm going to put in a little clip there. Follow me on Instagram. So that ended up getting replaced. And I think it took about like 2 days for the turnaround to happen. They were pretty quick at the dealership. However, my fourth gear would pop out. A little after I got the car, about like, let's say almost a month, my fourth gear kept popping out. And I was like, oh man, I don't know what was, it's synchro, right? Because every time I would be in fourth gear and I would try to go woot, or even if I was at lower PM 3, 4 and I held it there for a little bit, like it would just come out. So obviously common system for a synchro. But since my car is under warranty, 5 year, 60,000 mile warranty, I was like, you know what? Let me just bring it in. Let me see what they can do. And so dealership was kind of like, oh, we don't know if we can cover it. However, shout out King Mitsubishi. If you're from the area, King Mitsubishi, go there for any type of work that you need. If you need maintenance or warranty work, they're the best to do it. Pablo, shout out to him. So my fourth gear did end up getting replaced. Now it's completely smooth. Fourth gear holds fine under woot. So I'm very happy about that. Second thing, today I am going down to get this rim, or third thing, this rim repaired. It is bent. I did hit a curb when I was driving a couple days ago. I just really wasn't paying attention, and I hit a curb, and it happened here. So I hit the curb here. However, that tire was on here, but I switched it because I put it up on the lift to maybe see if I could damage the control arm or something, because it was a pretty significant hit. However, thankfully nothing major happened, just the rim was bent. So I'm getting that fixed today. I'll take a little bit of videos of that. It did take a little significant hit here, however you can't really tell. I did lose a mud. Sorry guys, it cut off there. I had a phone call. Did lose a mud flap in my fender, inner fender. So it took a pretty big hit. Like, I don't want to show you guys too much because I'm gonna get it fixed. But here's the inner fender liner. I didn't know it had this stock, which is pretty cool. So here's the whole fender liner. I think this is one that reaches to the front. This goes to the back. So you can see we just completely ripped out the mud flap that was attached right there. So I'm gonna have to put this back in. Hopefully it goes back in. I had to kind of work with the fender. I had to take it out and put it back in, kind of move it around a little bit because there was a bigger gap here. However, I fixed it up. I did what I could to make it look decently. Like you really can't tell. It looks mint, right? But if you can see kind of the space in there, though, almost the same, right? Almost the same. Not too bad. So yeah, guys, that's kind of the update.